Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.5, Problem 6. This is Section 2.5, Problem 6. It says divide the fractions 4 divided by 1/8. Now you'll notice these are the same values that are in the previous problem, but written in the opposite order. In the previous problem, number 5, the 4 was the second value. So how does that change it when we change the order? Let's see what happens. First of all, I cannot write a whole number in this sort of a problem. That 4 has to be rewritten as 4 over 1. So let's start with that. 4 over 1 divided by 1/8. Any whole number can be written as a fraction by putting a 1 under it like we did. So now the next thing I'm going to do is rewrite the problem again, and I will leave the first fraction. I'll change the problem from a division to a multiplication, and I will invert the second fraction, or just simply flip it over. The 1 over 8 just flips to an 8 over 1. Now I can multiply across the top. Numerator times numerator, 4 times 8 is 32. And then denominator times denominator, 1 times 1 is 1. And 32 over 1 can be simplified to just 32.